I'm the clean version of the guy that does the other videos. If you're anything like me, I'm sure you hate check engine lights. So whenever I start the car, I keep getting that light and it won't go away. So we scanned it with a 2 and I keep getting that error. I don't know if you can see it, that oxygen sensor error. So I'm out of NF. NF is a fuel additive that we add to our fuel to improve the octane rating, and so I can't run an aggressive map on stock fuel because my car will die. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna leave it flashing to a stock map. It already is on a stock map, but for some reason that check engine light keeps coming. So after a little bit of consultation, I've been told to try and check that the car is fitted with downpipes. So we've got our 2 here, cheap Android phone. And so what we're gonna do is leave it flashing while we eat some food on the inside. The car is equipped with MHD. I don't know if you're familiar with N54s, you should be familiar with MHD. So we're going to flash a stock map, but we're going to check the operations just to make sure that we check the downpipes are fitted option. So don't be an idiot like me. Anytime you're flashing your car, please connect a battery charger, otherwise you're gonna be stuck in the bush. So remember, your car has to be in the on. Turn off lights, turn off your radio, turn off your aircon, turn off anything that might drain your battery while it's flashing. So the option we're looking for is flash back to stock. It's similar to this, but we're gonna flash back to the stock map that came from BMW. Okay, just wait for the app to connect to the phone, or is it the phone to connect to the app to connect to the car? Struggling. Let's see if we can force it to connect. There we go. Contacting DME. Okay, so in the MHD, stock operations, flash back to stock, and we're waiting for it to connect. Looks like I don't have options to select the map operations, so we'll go to flash stage 0. This is an MHD map that allows you to have the stock settings, so that way we won't damage the car. So in the options, we're selecting that option. Maybe, just maybe, that will take the check engine light away. So press back. So you see it says full ride is 18 to 38 minutes, so that should be enough to eat. So I'll leave the car outside flashing and we'll come back and have a look when the map is complete. So selecting full ride, as you can see, contacting DME. Like I said, don't be an idiot like me, always have a battery charger connected, otherwise you'll be stuck. Alright, so you can see the car is flashing, it's connecting. The iDriver system has gone off, preparing the DME. Please wait. BMWs make you patient, so waiting for that to start, then we're gonna go on the inside and eat something. All right, so there we go, it's now flashing. So we'll leave the phone down here. As you can see, there's communication between the car and the app, and the car is doing its thing. So we'll meet again at the end. right, looks like it's done. You can see with an error there. Check our phone. All right, success. Turn off ignition and wait 30 seconds. So we'll turn off the ignition completely, and we'll wait 30 seconds.
A few moments later.
I think that's been 30 seconds. Don't know what you think. Let's see if the car will start. Okay, foot on the brake. Push the button. You notice I don't have the key in the ignition. Like I said, the car has comfort access. Alright, so we'll just clear that. Confirm tire pressure. Alright, while that is sorting out. Alright, no check engine light. But of course, we won't know until we drive the car. So as you can see, I have no gas at all. Poor man. So we're gonna drive to the service station, put in some rubbish fuel, and see if that check engine light comes on during the drive. Yeah, catch you on the other side. Check engine light is still there. I also have a worn out gasket between my downpipes and my exhaust, so I'm suspecting that could also be the cause of the check engine light. Maybe that is affecting the O2 sensor's ability to sense, if I can say that. We shall fit them in, clear the light, and see if that fixes anything. So thank you for watching.